So, dear students, today again I have come with the same topic, that is infinitive, and today I would be telling you about the forms of infinitive. तो आज मैं आपको infinitive के forms के बारे में बताऊंगी. So let's see that we can see that there are 6 forms of infinitive, 4 in active voice and 2 in passive voice. Let's see how. So this is form and active voice and passive voice. So we can see the first one is simple infinitive. Simple infinitive in active voice it is 2 plus V1. Okay, to send, it is the formation of these thing is, this simple infinitive is 2 plus V1. So 2 plus V1. This is the formation of simple infinitive in active voice. Then we have the passive voice, that is to be plus V3. Okay, this is to be plus V3. This is the formation of passive voice. Okay, to send and to be sent. This is the third form of the verb. Okay, so 2 plus V1, to be plus V3. This is the active and passive voice of simple infinitive. Now we have continuous infinitive. Second is, this is to be sending. Okay, and the formation is to be plus, this is present participle. To be plus present participle. That is to be plus V1 plus ing. Okay, this is called present participle, ing. So to be plus ing, this is the formation of continuous infinitive in active voice. And then we have in passive voice, there is no passive voice of continuous infinitive. And then we have perfect infinitive, number 3. Perfect infinitive, that is to have sent. To have sent in active voice, the formation is to have plus V3. This is to have plus V3. This is the formation of perfect infinitive. And then we have in passive voice to have been plus V3. This is to have been plus V3. This is the formation of perfect infinitive. To have sent, to have been sent. Okay, and last one is, that is perfect continuous infinitive. This is the formation of perfect continuous infinitive in active voice is to have been sending. This is to have been plus present participle. Okay, so to have been plus ing. The formation is to have been plus ing, V1 में ing. Okay, so let's now discuss in Hindi. This is infinitive and this is, ये जो है part of infinitive है, forms active voice and passive voice में. तो अभी मैंने बोला कि 6 forms होते हैं, 4 active voice में होते हैं और 2 passive voice में होते हैं. टोटल मिला के 6 forms होते हैं infinitive के. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं simple infinitive. इसका फॉर्मेशन होता है 2 plus V1. ठीक है, to send. फिर उसका पैसिव होता है to be plus V3. ठीक है, V3 होता है आपका पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. नेक्स्ट है आपका कॉन्टिन्यूस इन्फिनिटिव. इसका एक्टिव फॉर्मेशन होता है to be plus sending, that is present participle, V1 में ing लगा के to be. And then we have perfect infinitive. Perfect infinitive में है to have plus V3, यानी to have sent. This is V3. V3 होता है past participle. और इसका जो passive voice है to have been V3, यानी to have been past participle. ठीक है, और next है perfect continuous infinitive. इसका होता है to have been plus present participle. ठीक है, तो ये जो है मैं हर चाहती हूँ आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, उसके बाद हम एक एक करके आपको समझा रहे हैं. So first of all, I have taken simple infinitive, and and we will be discussing about the active forms of simple infinitive first, and then we will come to the passive one. Okay, so the formation of simple infinitive is 2 plus v1. Okay, we know it. So simple infinitive 2 plus v1 is the formation, and we'll see that verb to be plus infinitive. You know, सबसे पहले जो हम लेंगे verb to be plus infinitive, इसका हम देखेंगे किस तरह हम करते हैं simple infinitive में. Verb to be verb, you all know that, you know, to be verb, you know, this is the formation of is, am, are, was, were. So we all know that these 5 forms of verb have originated from this verb to be. Okay, so to be verb के बाद infinitive, verb to be के बाद यानी is लगा के फिर 2 plus verb, are लगा के 2 plus verb, am लगा के 2 plus verb, was and were लगा के 2 plus verb. हम किस तरह simple infinitive active voice में use करते हैं. So first thing which I have taken, that is to show future planned action. When we plan something for future, you know, then we can use it in the active form like this. He is to write a novel. So here we see that formation to be verb का is हमने लिया है, we have taken is, and then after is ये है to write. This is infinitive, simple infinitive. He is to write a novel. ये future planned action दिखा रहा है कोई. Suppose we plan for something, हम कहते हैं उसको ये करना है, वो करना है, वहाँ जाना है, तो इसमें हम इस तरह यूज करते हैं. He is to write a novel. उसको एक नॉवल लिखना है. They are to get married. Here they are is to be form है आपका, be का form है are, and then we have this infinitive. They are to get married. उनको शादी, उनकी शादी होनी है या उनको शादी करनी है. The function is to start at 4 o'clock. Then we have ये verb to be का form है is, and to start ये infinitive. So the function is to start at 4 o'clock. Function जो है वो 4 बजे शुरू होना है. ठीक है, तो ये future plan दिखा रहा है. It shows future plan. He is to write a novel. They are to get married. The function is to start at 4 o'clock. It is giving some information about the future. Okay. Now let's see. Number 2, to give information on order. Sometimes we see that कभी-कभी हम देखते हैं कि जो infinitive होता है उसका use जो होता है कभी information देने के लिए या order देने के लिए भी किया जाता है. Active voice में simple infinitive का use है you are. देखो सबसे पहले we have taken to be का form, that is are, you are, then we have infinitive. So इसका formation ही है verb to be के बाद infinitive. You are to keep quiet in the meeting. Okay, this is a kind of, you know, order. It's giving by someone that you are to keep quiet in the meeting. Then I am to stay here till 4 o'clock. Here see beta, I am is the formation of to be verb, then stay, to stay is infinitive. So मुझे यहाँ रुकना है 4 बजे तक. You are to keep quiet in the meeting. तुम्हें मीटिंग में चुप रहना है. And they are to buy a car. उनको एक कार खरीदनी है. They are जो है to be verb, and then to buy a car, infinitive. He was to read the books. So we have seen that these 3 examples, you know, 1, 2, 3, and these 2 examples, they related to present form, that is, am, are. Okay, now we have taken 2 examples of the past form also, that is was and were. He was to read the book. उनको ये किताब पढ़ना था. अब पढ़ना है नहीं, पढ़ना था. तो was is the form of be, and then infinitive to read. And they were to sell the house. उनको ये मकान बेचना था. So they were to sell the house. So were is the verb to be, and then to sell is infinitive. Okay. तो यहाँ हमने देखा कि verb to be plus infinitive लगा के हम जो है इस तरह से इसका active form बना सकते हैं. So we will be talking about the active form only, and then we will come to the passive form later on. So you take the picture if you want to take. तो सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव जो है वो जो है shall be, will be प्लस इन्फिनेटिव, ये भी आपका सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव दैट इज 2 + V1 यूज होता है. विल सी हाउ. I shall be to go. So here see, I shall be is the form and then plus infinitive to go. This is infinitive. Shall be के साथ to go यूज जब होता है एक्टिव वॉइस में, इट शोज कि कोई फ्यूचर में काम करने को होगा. I shall be to go यानी shall be and then infinitive, it shows मैं जाने को फ्यूचर में रहूंगा या जाने को होऊंगा. And they will be to study. So they will be is the form and then to study, this is infinitive. Okay, this is one form of simple infinitive. active voice में हम देख रहे हैं कि किस तरह से 2 + V1 यूज हो सकता है. Now have, has plus infinitive. I have to go, you know, it shows compulsions, a kind of a necessity or compulsions you can say. I have to go, it shows that have, has plus infinitive and have also. You know, I forgot to write had. So have, has, had, infinitive. I have to go. Have is a verb and then infinitive to go. He has to read. Has to read, infinitive. And then I had to play. इसमें जो है इसका मतलब है I had to play. It means that मुझे पढ़ना पड़ा, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, उसे पढ़ना पड़ेगा, मुझे जाना पड़ा. ओके, आपको पता है कि इन्फिनेटिव में हिंदी में लास्ट में ना ना आता है, जाना, करना, खाना, ये वाली चीज आती है. करने के लिए, जाने के लिए, खाने के लिए, तो ने वाला आता है सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव में. तो I had to play, so had is the formation of have and then to play है आपका इन्फिनेटिव. फिर हम देख रहे हैं कि shall, will plus have plus infinitive एक्टिव वॉइस में सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव कैसे यूज होता है. I shall have to go to Delhi. तो shall and then have to, shall have के साथ to go. Shall, will have infinitive. Shall have infinitive to Delhi. I shall have to go to Delhi. मुझे दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा. And he will have to do this work. उसे ये काम करना पड़ेगा. So will have and then infinitive to this, to do. Okay. So ये जो है इसका सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव का फॉर्मेशन है. मैं एक दो और लिख रही हूँ और उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको पैसिव वॉइस बताऊंगी क्या होता है. In this sentence, you know, these are the sentences, 10 sentences I have written, and you will see that 2 verbs has been used, you know, in these sentences. So 2 verb इसमें use किए गए हैं and the verb which in Hindi meaning is na. जैसे राम wants to read, राम पढ़ने के लिए, जिसमें ना आ रहा है उसको हम इन्फिनेटिव में चेंज कर देते हैं. जैसे राम wants to read, राम पढ़ना चाहता है, तो जैसे ना आया पढ़ना, मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव में हम हिंदी करें तो पढ़ना, पढ़ने के लिए, इस तरह के मतलब सेंटेंसेस आते हैं अगर हम हिंदी करें तो वी विल सी कि राम wants to read. सो यहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए, राम wants to read, राम पढ़ने के लिए, है ना, पढ़ना चाहता है. तो पढ़ना में to read यहाँ पे इन्फिनेटिव है. wants एक वर्ब है एंड सेकेंड वर्ब आपका रीड है. तो जब 2 वर्ब आए और एक वर्ब आपका ना में आ जाए, जाने के लिए, पढ़ने के लिए, पढ़ना चाहता है, तो उसमें उसको इन्फिनेटिव में चेंज कर देते हैं. He has gone to study. So here we see that gone and study 2 verbs are here. तो पढ़ने के लिए, पढ़ने means study, so we will change it into infinitive. Okay. So he came to see me. So here we see that to see means मुझसे मिलने के लिए आया, मिलने, that is infinitive. They will try to win the match, जीतने, that is infinitive. I forgot to write you, लिखने, that is infinitive. Ram will try to come on time, आने, infinitive. I've advised him to play chess. So advise is one verb and then play second verb. So खेलने chess. He is to he is learning to ride a scooty, to ride करने के लिए, and he had jumped to cross the wall, that is cross करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपके सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव के एक्टिव फॉर्म, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि किस तरह से एक्टिव फॉर्म यूज होता सकता है. अभी हम आपको पैसिव फॉर्म के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि किस तरह से हम सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव यानी 2+V1 को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे, दैट इज टू बी प्लस V3. ठीक है, तो ये आपका जो हो जाएगा जो उसको चेंज करने का तरीका. तो अभी हम इसको देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे. सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव की जो पैसिव होती है दैट इज टू बी प्लस V3. ओके, वी नो इट. सो I have written few active voice, sentences of active voice, and I'm going to change it into passive voice. You all know that how do we write, passive voice. Passive voice, if you are going to write passive voice, you have to, take transitive verb for the sentence to change into passive voice. So without using transitive verb, if the transitive verb is there, then there will be object, and object will come in place of subject. So you know it well that how do we use active and passive voice. So I think I don't have to tell you in detail. And let's start with this thing. So he is to write a novel. The sentence is simple infinitive to be formed in active, that is 2+V1. 2+V1, okay, to write. Now we will change it into passive voice by using to be plus V3. okay, to be plus V3, this is the passive. बच्चों आप सबको मालूम है कि एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए आपका वर्ब जो है ट्रांजिटिव होना चाहिए. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब से ही ऑब्जेक्ट मिलता है और तभी आप उसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर पाते हैं, है ना. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन चेंज ये जो फॉर्मेशन है सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव का दैट इज 2+V1. 2+V1 को किस तरह हम टू बी प्लस V3 पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट विद दिस सेंटेंस. आई हैव रिटन 5 sentences of active voice. I'm going to change it into passive one. Okay, so he is to write a book. First let's see, he is to write a book. He is subject and then verb, and then we have infinitive to write, and then this is object. Okay, so object will come in front of the in place of subject. So we'll write, हम इस तरह लिखेंगे कि a book, चूंकि book is singular है तो we'll write is only. So is, and to be का क्या था, to be plus V3. So a book is to be, write का third form written. A book is to be written. Okay, he is to write a book. A book is to be written by him. अब by him जो है वो doer होता है. So it's up to you whether you write or not. A book is to be written, the main thing, and by him हम यहाँ पे doer के लिए लिख देते हैं. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now let's see second sentence. They are to buy a car. We see that they are, R is जो है formation है 2+V1 का, तो R हमने लिया हुआ है. So they are to buy is infinitive. They are to buy a car. A car is object, so we'll write it like this. A car, cars चूंकि यहाँ पे singular है तो that's why we'll use singular is. A car is to be, और buy का third form है V3 होता है bought. A car is to be bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Okay, so a car is to be bought by them. Okay, now third one, he has to sell a house. This is the example of active voice or simple infinitive. He has to sell. So has और have के साथ अभी मैंने आपको सिखाया था. फिर उसके बाद to self infinitive आया. We'll change it into, इसका भी हम देखते हैं object है तो हम इसको change करेंगे. A house has, चूंकि we can see that this is a singular verb, so फिर has लिखेंगे. has to be जो है 2 प्लस चेंज हो गया 2b में, एंड V3 सेल का हो गया sold. ओके, so he has to sell a house. A house has to be sold by him. By him, it depends on you whether you write or not. This is the doer of the, the subject. Now they have to print the book. Now they have to print the book. We find that after to print we have this object. तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे. The book, अब have है तो बुक के बारे में हम has करेंगे since it is a singular. So a book has to be printed. A book has to be printed by them. ठीक है, by them हम लिख नहीं रहे हैं तो आप समझ जाइएगा. So they are to perform some work. They are to perform some work. So यहाँ पे passive होगा कि some work are to be, आर लिखा हमने क्योंकि ये क्या जो है आपका प्लूरल है. Some work are to be performed by them. So I'm going to finish this simple infinitive part, and in my next video I'm going to start with that is सिंपल इन्फिनेटिव का जो है कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में आपको एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस का हम दिखाएंगे. तो जो है आपके कमेंट जो आप लोगों ने किया है इसमें कि जो है राइटिंग मैम की क्लियर नहीं है, सो आई विल ट्राई टू पुट माय बेस्ट ताकि आपको समझ में आए. और जिस जगह आपको समझ में नहीं आता वहाँ पर आप अच्छे से कमेंट करिए. आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो मैं फिर से आपको समझाऊंगी. और मैं जो है आपको वीडियो अगर पसंद आता है तो लाइक करिए और जो है इसको शेयर करिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. थैंक यू सो मच.